If I'm welcome back to another video, if you're watching for the first time, welcome back once again, and also happy new year to you guys. And this is our first video this year. I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So thanks for watching my video, thanks for sharing, thanks for commenting, thanks for the love. We love you so much. In this video, I'm going to get one of my customer help. As you can guys, as you guys can see, it has made on the go. So I don't want to use gel, because if I use gel, as you can see, the hair is still neat. Yeah, I'm cutting it with the cream I'm using. She brought her own cream, so I don't want to use gel for her. If I use gel for her, it's still going to, it will still neat. Maybe more than this. For me, it's okay like this because of the hair. So if I add a gel to it, maybe after 2 days, the undergo and everything to look so, I don't know.